You've had a long day. Your body feels heavy, your eyes are begging to close, and all you want is a good night's rest. But then, the moment you lie down, something strange happens. Instead of drifting off, you find yourself staring at the ceiling, your mind running in circles, watching the clock tick later and later. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people experience the frustrating question every night: why can't I sleep, even when I'm exhausted? One of the biggest reasons is stress and mental overdrive. When your brain is stressed, it doesn't care if your body is tired, it switches into survival mode. That means releasing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, chemicals designed to keep you awake and alert. This was useful thousands of years ago when humans needed to stay awake to face danger, but today it just keeps you restless in bed. Even the thought of not sleeping can make things worse. The more you worry about being awake, the harder it becomes to fall asleep. It's a vicious cycle that many people unknowingly fall into. Another hidden reason is irregular sleep schedules. If you often stay up late, sleep in on weekends, or use your phone in bed until you feel drowsy, you're confusing your internal body clock, your circadian rhythm. This natural clock tells your body when to feel awake and when to feel sleepy. But when it's out of sync, your brain doesn't release melatonin at the right time. That's why, even though you're tired, your body isn't getting the signal that it's time to shut down. Lifestyle habits also play a huge role. Caffeine, for example, can stay in your system for up to 8 hours, so that late afternoon coffee might be the reason you're wide awake at midnight. Alcohol, while it may make you feel sleepy at first, actually disrupts your sleep cycle and keeps you from entering the deep, restorative stages of rest. Eating heavy meals late at night forces your body to focus on digestion instead of relaxing, which can also keep you alert when you should be winding down. Then there's the problem of hyperarousal. This is when your nervous system stays on high alert, almost like your body is a car engine that keeps running even after you've turned the key. It can happen if your bedroom environment is too stimulating, bright lights, noisy surroundings, or even the simple association of your bed with frustration and sleepless nights. Over time, your brain starts to link your bed with stress instead of sleep, making it even harder to drift off. Medical conditions can't be ignored either. Disorders like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or chronic pain can prevent your body from fully relaxing, no matter how tired you feel. Hormonal changes, especially in midlife, can also interfere with sleep. And if you're someone who struggles with anxiety or depression, the overlap with insomnia is incredibly common. These conditions feed into each other, creating a cycle where poor sleep worsens mental health, and poor mental health makes sleep even harder. So what can you do if you're lying in bed, tired but sleepless? The first step is to reset your relationship with sleep. Stick to a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm so your body knows when to wind down. Create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, turn off electronics at least 30 minutes before bed, and replace scrolling on your phone with something soothing, like reading a book, light stretching, or meditation. These habits tell your brain that it's safe to relax. Watch your diet. Avoid caffeine in the late afternoon and keep alcohol intake moderate. Give your body time to digest before heading to bed. And most importantly, don't force sleep. If you find yourself lying awake and frustrated, get out of bed and do something calming in another room until you feel sleepy again. Then return to bed. Over time, this teaches your brain to associate your bed with rest, not anxiety. Here's the truth: your body knows how to sleep, it's a natural process. But in our modern world, stress, lifestyle habits, and overstimulation often interfere with this ancient rhythm. By making small changes to your daily routine and your environment, you can give your body the chance to rest the way it was designed to. So the next time you find yourself lying awake and wondering, why can't I sleep even though I'm tired, remember, your body isn't broken. It just needs the right signals to unlock the sleep it's been waiting for.